Hello friends, welcome to Learn and Fun YouTube channel. Guys, I hope you all are fine and doing good at your home. So guys, today's our topic is very interesting. So guys, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon so you will get our videos as soon as possible. So guys, let's start our video, and in this video I will show you 100 ways of earning and which are these ways. So let's start our topic, and for this you have to visit your Play Store. From here we will go to the Play Store. Here is our Play Store. Let's select this and type here 100 ways of online earning. So basically it is an application, and we will go to install it. You can see it has only 7.8 MBs, and you can see here these are the ways of earning are given here. So we will open this, and you can see there are 100 ways of earning are given. Okay, so this is our application. Let me install this application and wait for its installing. So you can see they have also give their description here, and there is no reviews and rating of this application, but we will install this application and see how these application are working. So let's start and wait for this application. I hope it will be soon download, but I don't. Yes, it is start downloading here. Let me wait and check out this application. Okay, it is still downloading. Just wait a while and it will be download. We will have to wait more and more. After that it will be download, and yes, it is download. Let me check where it is installed, and here it is installed. Let's open this, and here are different kinds of methods are given, and 35 of them are coming soon. Okay, so let me check the first one and what they are talking about in first one. So you can see starting a YouTube channel can be a great way to earn money. Okay, they are saying that starting a YouTube channel will be great. Most of them are popular sharing, so they are describing how to earn from YouTube. Okay, so they are the other option is start a blogging. So they are describing that how you can start a blogging. So here they are describing blogging effects and earning method. So you can see here all the methods are given, and they are also guiding you here, and it is very good application for guide. And you can see advertisement they are also showing here. And the other option is Fiverr. Everyone is known that Fiverr is a big platform to earn, so these are also given here. You can see this, and it is very good thing for us, so you can easily see this. Okay, so let me check the other. Here is Fiverr affiliates. So you can see that how the Fiverr can make and how it will create. Here is a full guide of this, and resources are also given here, and you can easily see the resources, and it is a good thing about it. I am saying here. And other things are Canva. In video you can also earn in video by, here is a guide to starting video and earn money. Okay, you have to sign up an account, practice, find a client, create and deliver the videos. So they are saying that you will create video and get paid. So it is a good thing which I see here. So guys, this is our topic ended here. So I hope you all like our video. If you all like our video, then subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon so you will get our videos as soon as possible. We will be meeting next video. Take care of yourself. Have a good day.